Hi everybody, it's Kat from Creative Crafts, and today's DIY is this beautiful bottle and with lights. Very easy to make. You could say it would take at least 5 minutes, and all you need is a few items, and if you want to see what they are, watch further. So everybody, to make this bottle, it's very easy to use, and I recycled a few of the items. And what I did is, I'll get another bottle I already started. I took the extra pieces of the map that I put on my wall, and I just glued it with Mod Podge glue or Elmer's glue with a little bit of water and glued it. And the next step is, of course, cleaning it up a little bit. And this bottle is an Zect bottle, champagne bottle, and I just put it in the wash machine and the dishwasher, and the label came completely off. I didn't have to scrub it or anything. I just put it in the dishwasher. Not all bottles are easy to get the label off, but this one I got it off very easily. It just came right off. I didn't have to worry about anything else. So the next step is, like I said, after you clean it and you put the Mod Podge on, I want to add some string to it, which I have this jute string. And of course you want to put the string on the back. You don't want to put it in the front, start it in the front. And what you do is just take it and then go around gently. And then you keep going around as many times as you want. I went around at least 3 times. So, and when you're done, I held it and then I pulled so that it's nice and tight. And then I took the glue gun and glued the other end like this. Very little bit. Glue it, and then I took my tiny little scissors, actually they're cuticle scissors, and cut. They're usually more sharper, and that's it. This is one thing you do, and I'm going to lift this up a little bit until you get to the edge of it so you can see the name. That is another second step of it. So the items, like I said, you need for this project is the bottle, some kind of a label or a napkin. I use this map, extra pieces of the map, jute string. I have some extra keys here, and then I also bought this from online. It's a cork light. It's actually made for bottles, and it's awesome. You don't have anything hanging over it. So like I said, it's pretty easy. Do this, then you get another wire, and you get a couple of keys if you want, or if you want to just make a heart, you can put one key, you can put several keys. Let's see which one I will put on this. My other one was the heart one. I think I will use this one. I'll just use one on this one. And so you can put it through here easily without the string cluttering up. What you do is just a tiny bit of glue on the end, wait a few minutes, or at least wipe some off, and twist gently on it with the glue, and then you have nice little spits end here, so you can just put it right through without any problems. There you go. And then what I did is I tied it on. You can put it anywhere you want. You can let it hang a little bit downwards if you want, but I just did this a little bit tighter, and then double knot it, cut it off. You don't have to use this color bottle. You can use any kind of bottle that you want. And the next thing is putting the piece of the cork light in it. Usually comes in a 12 pack, which is not very expensive either. And it's pretty bendable. It's like a wire with some lights on it. The battery already is included. It should be. If it's not, then you bought it probably from somewhere that don't include them. You can take this out. You can change it here. You can take it out and put new batteries in. Very easy. Easy peasy. And then you unravel the wire. You put it inside. And there you go. And then turn it in the direction in the back so you don't see the connection, and there you go. Told you, 5 minutes or maybe even less. I mean, when you do this, it's going to take some time to dry, but then when it's still a little bit of wet, try not to touch it, but then you can put the wire on and do the top part, and then once it's dried, you can clean all that other stuff off with window cleaner, but be very careful not to get this part wet. Yeah, if you want it to be a little bit shiny on the top, what I could suggest is that you put the Mosh Posh on top, and then it makes a nice little shimmer on it. So it's up to you how you want to have it. And this was a pretty quick DIY recycle project. I love recycling. I don't like throwing anything away. Ask my husband, I have my workroom full of stuff. But I usually recycle pretty much everything, even stuff that I don't use at home anymore. I usually recycle. It's very important that you do that. And I recycle these bottles. I mean, Germany has a very good recycling system here, but I like to use these things. So, and they look great. It's a great decoration. You can use it for when you have garden parties, birthday parties. You can put little kid decorations on it. You can, the ideas can go on and on and on. This is an awesome choice. And yeah, that's it. I hope you like it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. And thank you for your time, and I'll hope to see you in my next video. Bye!